getting ready for a night out. Whoop whoop. I'm going out with my husband and our friend. We're just going to town, you know, just go out for a drink and maybe a bit of dancing if there's a live band. So I'm just gonna get ready. I don't know what look I'm going for, and also I'm not a makeup artist, and I just do like makeup, like whatever suits my face or whatever I like. So yeah, I already put moisturizer on. In my moisturizer, I am of course on Olay. This is my foundation. It's the L'Oreal. This is as you know, this is my favorite foundation. So I don't really squeeze in sponge. On the sponge, I just literally just dot it everywhere. Is this unhygienic? If it is, then well, it is what it is. So if I go to work and I put makeup on, then I just cover like few of my spots. But if I go out like tonight, I go full on makeup. So my sponge, I just do this. I love the L'Oreal foundation because it's so matte, and because my skin is so oily, tapos ang ganda ng finish niya. Yeah, if you have oily skin, tapos may makita kayong ganito na foundation, grab it and try it. And then don't forget your neck, obviously, because you want the color to blend. There. Yung finish niya, flawless yung finish niya. That's what I like about it. And then I feel like I need to cover a bit of my cheek. Sa cheek ko, kasi meron akong the pigmentations are still there. So just cover it. Ang lakas ng ulan dito, guys. No, not ulan, hangin. And the wind or bagyo, whatever it's called, Dennis. Oh my gosh, go away. Let me just check this foundation off. Shalitka. The concealer. Nakita niyo ba? That's the Maybelline. So conceal. Dito lang. And dito. See, I don't put anywhere. Just under my eye. Yeah. You see. Put a lot. Oh well. And then I just blend it. Highlight kung saan. Yeah. Because I'm putting some eyeshadow, I'm using Lay and Low Paint Pot from MAC. There. Ted Baker na eyeshadow. Hindi ko pa siya nagamit, kaya gusto ko siyang gamitin tonight. Napaka shimmery niya. It looks really nice and pretty. Look how pretty. You can see. And then I have my NARS in here. So ito yung highlighter na nabasag ko. Tapos this is the blush and this is the bronzer. I use it for my lid to make it a bit warm. Iwa-warm ko lang siya ng konti. Yeah. And I'm growing my eyebrows, so hindi ako nag-ano, pluck. The brush as well from Ted Baker. That's the brush holder, and these are the brushes. They're so clean right at the moment. I don't know. Okay, I think it's better with my finger because it's more of. Can you see? Nag-grab ko yung product better. All my makeup will be like browns and browns. I mean my eyeshadow. Oh, I really like this. So buttery. It's really good. I really like it. It's so buttery, sure. Unpigmented. So your finger is really good tools to use because you get more of the pigment from the eyeshadow. I just don't know, just me I think. You see? Eyeshadow. And I like to extend it a bit. Extend it a bit. But blend it. Blend. I look crazy. I'm not as talented. Pag na-eyebrows ako, sasabihin ng asawa ko, I look so maldita. Oh well. It's good to be maldita sometimes, right? I think it's your own face, so alam mo what works. Kasi sariling face mo yan. To my palette, I'm gonna try to put that, you know, that pinky bit. Is it? Yeah. I'm gonna put it in the middle. Yeah. Sparkly. May sparkly siya ng konti. Eyeliner. Now, the struggle is real. Eyeliner, I'm not good at this. And this is the L'Oreal. Can you see? I don't. L'Oreal. Yung L'Oreal eyeliner. Now, this is one of those na hindi ako marunong, but what I do is, nilalagay ko siya sa ilalim. Kasi yung mata ko nagpa-pop siya, look. Looks a bit different, diba dito? Because I have small eyes. pag nilagay mo siya sa ilalim, it looks a bit thicker yung lashes mo. And then a bit of here. I don't make it perfect because I don't know how. I just line it and then I'm done. Well, at least it looks a bit better now, in my own opinion. Gawa natin siya ng konting wing. Para naman hindi siya maging sad. There you go. And then the NARS again, the bronzer. And then I put it diba? Yan. They all connect. And then back to that palette. Grab ko din yung konting brown. And then konti lang. Do I look funny, guys? So there's a bit of color in there. I look like a raccoon. Oh, I use two mascara. This is just me. I use the 4Cs, which is from Maybelline, and then I will finish it with a Lancome, a waterproof dull eyes. I'll start with the dull eyes. I mean the 4Cs. So that's the Maybelline. That's a dull eyes, guys. And then hangin sa labas, umuulan, tapos magiging raccoon ako pag labas ko. But hey ho. And that's my let's see, that's my eyelashes, 2 mascaras. Next is bronzer, and still the same palette ba tawag nito? The Laguna. Just like that. Bronze it a bit, my forehead, because I got a big forehead. There we go. Blush. Yung blush ko is the Bare Minerals, my fave. There you go. Glittery, shimmering, shiny, shimmering. MAC Cheeky Bronze Mineralized Skin Finish. and that's the inside. I love bronzers and bronze and everything brown. Just like that. That's it. And for my sanity, just to blend everything. Oh my god. Can you even hear the wind? Because this wind is like wind. And I just need to put some lipstick. And the lipstick I'm gonna use is the Maybelline Superstay. Ang ano lang sa lips nito ko, pag may dry lips ka, doesn't look good. Napaka-colorful ng aking makeup. My going out look. My pag mag-go out ako, this is always my look. Ito yung look niya, guys. So, yung eyebrows, my eyeshadow, my lipstick. So, yeah. I am ready to go out.